Everyone, this is Violet. I'm in my sister's Sari store because why not? I got new glasses from Sunny Studio. So I got an anti-red with transition. First one. Back. So artsy. Artsy. Okay, next one. I got two new sunglasses. I'm so excited for this because when I saw the white frame, I didn't have any white frame yet. So, so fashionable. Back. Ang ganda niya. Mm. Okay, next na tayo. This is Dakota, by the way. Next one is Coco. I don't have any frameless sunglasses yet, so when I saw this and it looks so good on me in the store, I initially got it. Oh, diba? So fashionable. And it's like it's so me. Sino ka dyan? Wind effect. Anyways, that's it. Bye.